This is going to be basic operations of the ASV. So first of all, on all diesels, you want to let the glow plugs cycle, but this is really quick, so you could just pretty much turn the key right away. Then you just turn the key. You always put this lap bar down, otherwise it's not going to move. Make sure the door is closed and the sensor's on the door. Let it warm up for a bit. You want the temp to be, I'd say, at least a little over 100 degrees before you even move anything, but ideally over 140. So there's a throttle here. You don't really want to move it at idle. You kind of want to have, at least almost half throttle. It's not really warm yet. So here you have a joystick to boom up. You just pull back. And then if you want to heel in and out, you push it like this to go out, pull it back to go like this. And then there's a toggle here to open and close the auxiliary hydraulics for whatever attachment you have. We have a grapple on most of the time here. And then just forward and back as with this. There's also lights up here and a camera. Horn. I'll show you how to actually take off the attachment. With this button here, flip that up, and then you'll see the pins coming off here. So there's pins there on all skid steers. They go down to lock in. They're unlocked right now. So I can lock them right now, and they're gonna move down. And you can always check. See, it goes back down through the attachment, and now you're locked in, ready to go off the attachment. So I'm trying to get it so there's not really any pressure on the hydraulics. And you want to turn off the machine. Well, turn it off and then turn the key on, and you can kind of settle out the hydraulics on some machines to relieve some pressure. Then these newer machines have this relief valve. You see this little ball thing here. You want to line this groove up so you can take it off. Sometimes it's hard to take off. You really got to use some muscle. But if you settle it out properly and it's normal weather, you shouldn't have an issue at all. You're going to take this off. Just kind of leave it like this or out, just so it's not hitting the ground. You don't want dirt and stuff on those. I'm going to put it back on. You always want to wipe these fittings. And then simply put it back on.